Hi there guys, in today's video of FlexiStarter, we're going to be looking at how can you get additional help. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we do have a variety of different softwares we cover, and also we upload training videos daily. But otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, other than the videos we create here, there is more content you can find. So if you don't mind reading or so forth, then there's more ways you can find help for the program. So if you kind of want to challenge yourself more, you can always. So to do that, we want to head to our main menu on top here, navigate to help. Now, our first option here, we've got the help topics. So this will be the actual website where you can find more help. So if I click this, it will load your web browser. And then under here, we have a few different options as well. You can obviously search. We've got get started, basics, and what's new. They have some PDFs if you're going more depth, and some videos at the bottom. So that is one way we can do this. Another way, which is rather simple, you can always also go to the same location. So main menu, help. Then we want to go down to Flexi tutorial. Now this will be basically like a in-house tutorial. So you can choose what you want here, and they'll basically guide you through it. So if you want to say print and cut, then there's some basic tutorials here that you can follow. So you get you started what to do first, and then you just follow along. So otherwise, yeah, that is it on getting some additional help other than through our videos. If you guys head here to softwaretraining.co.za, like I mentioned in the intro video, you can find this video and more like it, and we have a variety of different softwares we cover. If you do not want to manually navigate through all the different videos and to look for the video, or sure I said to look for the topic you trying to find, you can always go on top here to the search, type in what you're looking for, hit the little magnifying glass, then it will try to isolate your search for you. But if you still run dry and don't find what you're looking for, you can always go here to request a training video, fill in the little mini form, and then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.